Hello students, today I am going to discuss part 4 of structural organization in animals. In this part we will discuss about the smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. First we will discuss about the smooth muscles. These smooth muscles, they are also known as non-striated muscles or smooth muscles and visceral muscles. Actually they are known as non-striated or smooth muscles because the striations are not visible from outside. Here you can see the striation. Striation means light and dark bands are not visible in these muscles. That's why they are known as non-striated or smooth muscles. They are also known as visceral muscles. Visceral means that they form the viscera. Viscera means internal organ. Actually these smooth muscles, they are found in internal organ except heart, for example alimentary canal, stomach and other parts of the body. These smooth muscles consist of long, narrow, spindle shaped fibers. The fibers of these muscles are here, you can see in these figure that they are spindle shaped. Spindle shaped fiber means that they are of this shape. ये शेप के होते हैं, टेपरिंग एट बोथ द एंड, दोनों एंड पर ये पतले होते हैं और बीच में ये चौड़े होते हैं. तो दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड स्पिंडल शेप. देयर एवरेज लेंथ इज 0.2 millimeter एंड width up to 8 micrometer. Each fiber contain a single oval nucleus in its thick and the middle part. There is a single nucleus present here and nucleus present in the center. They are composed of actin and myosin myofilament and need energy from ATP for contraction. They lack T tubules. T tubules are not present here. They have less sarcoplasmic reticulum and less number of mitochondria. It is because there are less number of sarcoplasmic reticulum and less number of mitochondria are present because there is not enough energy is required if we compare with the skeletal muscles. In skeletal muscles there are more mitochondria, glycogen, etc. are present, but here less number of mitochondria are there because they do not require too much of energy if we compare with the skeletal muscle. The blood supply of the smooth muscle is scanty as compared to the striated muscles. क्योंकि यहाँ एनर्जी कम होती है, कम ज़रूरत पड़ती है, इतनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती जितनी स्केलेटल मसल्स में ज़रूरत पड़ती है, क्योंकि वहाँ पूरी बॉडी को मूव करना होता है. यहाँ पर इनको एक जगह पे ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और एक्सपेंड होता है, तो दे रिक्वायर लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. दैट्स वाई दे आर लेस number of mitochondria are present and blood circulation is also scanty. They are innervated by nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Its contraction is not under the control of the animal. It is therefore called as involuntary muscles. Because these muscles not under our control, under the control of our will, and they are innervated by these autonomic nervous system, means they are sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves are there and they control the contraction and relaxation of these smooth muscles. These muscle fibers are usually arranged in the form of continuous sheet. So when they are arranged, they form a sheet-like structure. These muscles are found in walls of the hollow viscera or internal organ. As we have discussed that these muscles are also known as visceral muscles because they are present in the viscera or internal organs. ये internal organs को बनाते हैं, जैसे alimentary canal, genital tract, blood vessels, urinary bladder, etc. because they form or present in the wall of these internal organs or the viscera. That's why they are known as visceral muscles. In the wall of hollow organs, they often occur in two main layers, circular and longitudinal smooth muscles. जो hollow organs हैं like alimentary canal या intestine or stomach, there are two types of smooth muscles are present, circular and longitudinal. Next type of muscle is the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are only present in the heart. They are short cylindrical fibers which are joined end to end and interconnected by oblique bridges. The fibers are uninucleated. There is only single nucleus is found. You can see here that only one nucleus is found in each fiber. Nucleus lies deep at the center of the fiber. They contain myosin and actin filament and show cross striation. It means that in cardiac muscle, light and dark bands are found. They are also found in skeletal muscle as well as in cardiac muscle. That's why this is the similarity, but there is a difference that skeletal muscles are not branched and these muscles are branched. The fibers contain numerous large mitochondria and glycogen granules. Because they contract throughout the life of an individual and they require large amount of energy. So there is large number of mitochondria and stored glycogen is present in the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle fiber have well developed T-tubule system and poorly formed sarcoplasmic reticulum. The intercalated discs are a specialized region of the cell membrane at the end of adjoining cardiac muscle fiber forming firm dense junction. Before holding the cells together, the intercalated discs provide ionic continuity between adjacent joint cells. The actin filament attaches to the intercalated disc at the end of the fiber. Actually, these muscles are of this shape. ये इस तरह की होती हैं. यहाँ पर लाइट और डार्क बैंड्स भी पाए जाते हैं. ये स्ट्राइशन दिखते हैं यहाँ पर. दिस इज अनदर ब्रांच. तो पहली चीज़ तो ये है कि यहाँ पर स्केलेटल मसल्स की तरह स्ट्राइशन तो होता है, लेकिन डिफरेंस ये है कि स्केलेटल मसल्स ब्रांच नहीं होती हैं. जो कार्डियक मसल्स होती हैं ये ब्रांच होती. तो वो पॉइंट जहाँ पर ये ब्रांचेज एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होती हैं, इसको हम इंटरकैलेटेड डिस्क कहते हैं. The cardiac muscles, like the striate muscles, contract quickly and never get fatigued. One more difference between the skeletal muscle and cardiac muscles is that the skeletal muscles they get fatigued and these cardiac muscles they do not get fatigued. Fatigue का मतलब हिंदी में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि थक जाना. अगर स्केलेटल मसल्स का हम बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करते हैं, हम थक जाते हैं और हमें रुकना पड़ता है. लेकिन ये कार्डियक मसल्स दे नेवर गेट फैटिग, ये कभी भी नहीं थकती हैं, क्योंकि ये अगर रुक गई तो इंडिविजुअल की डेथ हो सकती है और वो हार्ट काम करना बंद हो सकता है. द कार्डियक मसल्स आर इनोवेटेड बाय द ब्रेन वेगस नर्व. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू नोट दैट these are the 10th cranial nerves or the vagus nerves. They are present in the cardiac muscles. They are also innervated by autonomic nervous system. It means that there are two types of nerves control the contraction and relaxation of the heart. One is the vagus nerves. These are the cranial or 10th cranial nerves. And second is the autonomic nervous system. There are two types of autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. The function of sympathetic nervous system to increase the sympathetic nervous system. They increase the heartbeat. And parasympathetic nervous system, they decrease the heart rate. So they are not under the control of an individual's will. They cannot control by themselves. So that's why these cardiac muscles are involuntary. So we have discussed these three types of muscles fiber. First one is the cardiac muscles. These cardiac muscles are present in the heart. You can see they are only present in the heart. These are the skeletal muscles, and they are present in the muscles which are attached to the bone. For example, these muscles, they are attached to this bone. So these are the skeletal muscles. There is one similarity between these two, that the light and dark bands. Here you can see that these are the dark band. Light and dark band or striation are found. Here also light and dark bands are found. But the difference is that these are branched. You can see here that there are many branches are present here. These are branched, but skeletal muscles are not branched. One more difference is that they appears multinucleated. Muscle fibers are multinucleated, and there is only single nucleus present in each fiber. Next one is the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are spindle shaped. They are of this shape, and a thick nucleus is present in the center of these smooth muscles. They are known as smooth muscles because the light and dark band, like in cardiac and skeletal, these light and dark bands are not visible in smooth muscles. Second thing is that they are also known as visceral organs, visceral muscles. They are known as visceral muscles. Viscera are the internal organ. Viscera का मतलब होता है कि internal organ. Internal organ का मतलब है जैसे stomach, small intestine, alimentary canal, blood vessels, genital tract. These are the internal organ, and these smooth muscles are found in these. They form the internal organs of the body except heart. So these are the three types of muscles which are found in human being.